coming to you live on day 3 of showing you some of our new products, and I'm going to make dinner, so just come hang out with me. This might be a little longer than usual, but just pop on in, come hang out, and just say hi. Comment live if you're watching live, comment replay if you're watching replay, and this is what we're making right now. So this is a very first for me. I have never ever made this. This is a pad thai. I don't know how to say it right. Pad thai. And I'm actually, for the first time ever, I bought rice noodles. I was kind of thought about doing it with normal noodles, but you know, whatever. So I bought rice noodles for the first time. So this is going to be fun and interesting. So we're going to go with it. And we're going to use this new pad thai, I don't know how to say it, this mix, and you're just gonna wing it with me because it's supposed to be really easy, so we're just gonna follow along. So come along with me on this journey and let's make this together, and leave a comment so I know that you are watching live or later in replay. So this is one of the new products. It comes in a set of 3 and you get 3 of these pad thai mixes. I'm making a chicken pad thai. There's 2 other recipes you can make with it, stir fries and something else, stir fry and white rice and shrimp or something. So you can use this for multiple things. So it's more than just a seasoning. It has a little bit more stuff added to it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is cook up some chicken. You can use any protein you want in this, I guess. Have some fun with it. And we're gonna use our 12-inch non-stick stainless steel skillet. So this one is the one with the pattern. So it's stainless steel, so you get the beautiful sear, but it has a little non-stick on it as well. So it's super easy to clean. It's absolutely one of my favorite ones. So we need a little bit of olive oil. So let me show you one of our new products as well. So this is our new oil and vinegar dispenser right here. So basically the way it works is, for those of you that measure oil, that's definitely not me, but sometimes I may, you push this button and then it fills up the top with however much olive oil you need. Okay, olive oil, vinegar, whatever. So isn't this cute? If you love it, comment olive oil. Super cute, very pretty, right? And then we can just go ahead and put this in here so we can get this started. So in 5 seconds I already showed you 2 new products. Are you guys excited? All right, so this was product number 2. So we're going to wait for this to heat up, and then we're going to put some chicken in here. This is like 1.5 pounds. I think I have a little more, so I might not cook all of it at once. So what's happening in your house today? I love pad thai. Thanks, Patty. We'll see if I like it. I feel like I've maybe had it once, but I don't really remember it. The first way is correct. Like a lily pad. Oh, pad thai. Pad thai. Okay. Thanks so much, Sue. Pad thai. All right. This is definitely not my forte. So, you want to know a funny thing? You guys want to know a funny thing? So, I told my parents I'm making this. They're like, huh, you're making what? Chinese noodles? I don't know. Are these Chinese? Japanese? I don't know. So, they're questioning this recipe. So, we have some tomato sauce over here just in case it fails and they don't like it. So, that's a funny story. All right, can't wait to see how it turns out. I know, me too. All right, so this seems to be pretty good right now. So the cool thing about this pan is I actually don't like stainless steel. I didn't like it when Pampered Chef had just stainless steel. It just like freaked me out. It was too hard to clean. So I actually like this one because it's super easy to clean. So because of that non-stick little grit on here. So my chicken is already cubed up. So it's perfect for this recipe. Like I said, I cubed up a lot, so I might not use all of it, but we're just going to go with it. And fill this pan up. So on the other side here, I have some water boiling in our cast iron. I don't know if you can see it here. Oops, right here is our cast iron, enameled cast iron Dutch oven, cooking the water. I might have to turn it up a little bit. Let me get a lid for that. Where's the lid? Oh, yeah. So it's a very pretty piece, our Dutch oven cast iron. And then let's see what else we need to do. Oh, by the way, I know what else I need to do. The big 12-inch, there's a 12-inch and a 10. And you want to see the next new product? It had a baby. We now have a baby 8-inch non-stick stainless steel skillet. It is super cute. If you are definitely, you know, an empty nester, or you cook for 1 or 2 people, this is for you. But this is also great to just sear up some chicken, some breakfast, omelets, stuff like that. So the big pan had a baby. And now got an 8-inch one. Isn't it cute? Do you love it? It's very solid, guys. If you've never owned like a really, really good pan, you're really missing out. And of course it has a lid too. So super, super cute. All right, so let's check this chicken here, move it around, and let it cook and prep the rest over here as well. So the other optional thing so basically the way this works is we're going to cook the chicken, we're going to mix this pad thai mix, so we're going to do this right now. So we're going to mix it with 6 tablespoons of water. And one of the things I do know about pad thai is that it has peanuts, right? So some people with peanut allergy cannot eat it, but this one is actually peanut free. It's peanut free, it's gluten free. So I am going to add some chopped peanuts at the end, so that's optional, but you don't have to, so it's actually allergy friendly. Isn't that pretty cool? All right, let's see what this smells like. I'm a little curious. Girl, you need to get your tie on. I'm trying, Lynn, I'm trying. It's definitely out of my comfort zone, but that's why I love her paper chef. I get to try all kinds of stuff I normally wouldn't. Okay. I don't even know what it smells like. Maybe, I don't know. I couldn't tell you. Onion, yeah. Oh, sesame, yep, I smell that. Vinegary, it kind of has a little vinegary. Yeah, I guess that's what I don't know. I don't know what it smells like because I don't know. I don't know. All right, let me get a little whisk. Where's my little whisk? Somewhere. Find a little whisk. Here we go. I don't know if we still sell it, but it's a little baby whisk. So 6 tablespoons of water. Let me just make sure I'm doing this right. 1 package of pad thai meal mix going right in. And what else? 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. All right, let's go for that. So that's when this little baby measuring spoon comes in handy. This little baby one, this is perfect for medicine, for the kids or for yourself. So we're going to go with 5 tablespoons here of soy sauce and mix it up. Alright, this is 4. I love me some soy sauce because I like salt. I know it's bad, but I like salt. Alright, so we're going to whisk this up and probably move our chicken around. So if you didn't know, these are handy dandy chef tongs. They come in 2 different sizes. There's a large and a small. And at any given point, if you're like, I need to have that, comment need or comment link, and I'll send you a special link, okay? There we go. Move that around. So what's really cool about these is they lock on the way up and they unlock on the way down, okay? So once you lock them and they're in your drawer, they're not just going to open up and get stuck. How many of you guys have ever had them like stuck like that, right? So it won't happen with these because they lock on the way up and they unlock on the way down. Isn't that pretty cool? Yes, yes. All right, comment below. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from today. All right, chicken. This water is taking forever. Oh, is it boiling? Almost. So I guess I have a question. For those of you that have used rice noodles before, do you salt the water like Italians do? Add noodles and boil for 7 minutes. Drain. Do I salt these? Do I put salt in the water? The Italian wants to know. Hello, help. Bitter cold, snow-covered New York. Well, I live in New York. I still live in New York, but it's sunny. It's cold, but it's sunny here, right? Holly says, can't wait to try it. That chicken is not cooked all the way through. I know. I'm working on it, people. It's not done. I know it's not. That's why I'm not eating it yet. That's what we're here to do, is to cook together, right? All right. So let me know if I need to salt this or not in the comments. So no salt. Okay. All right. If Patty says no salt, we're going to go with no salt. All right. So we're gonna throw this in our water. I don't think I've ever had rice noodles. Anybody? Have you had rice noodles? Comment yes or no. They're like super clear, I guess. Always taking one for the team here. All right, so our water is not boiling yet. All right, we'll keep going over here. So we're gonna whisk our pad thai mix. So you can kind of see it's like pretty dark between the soy sauce and the pad thai mix, right? Yes. Thanks, Patty. Holly says you've never had rice noodles. All right, this definitely smells really good. Okay. And then what else do we do? Oh, I know what I'm going to do. So one of the optional things is to add in like a scrambled egg. Okay, so the way you can do that is just make a little well, kind of like when you're making a stir fry. And we can cook the scrambled egg right in here. So I'm going to show you another new tool. There's lots of new tools. I'm not necessarily needing it today, but I'm still going to show it off, which is our egg separator. Okay, so if you ever need to separate your yolk from the white, you can use an egg separator, and it has the handle extends, so you can use it in a small bowl like this, right? I can use it in a small bowl, or I can extend the handle and also use it in a bigger bowl as well. All right, so it's pretty simple the way it works. It literally just separates it, right? Go like this, and you have it all separated, and your yolk just stays right in there. Pretty cool, right? Like I said, I don't need to do that right now because I'm scrambling it all, but I just wanted to show you. This new product. Okay. Give them a little whisk here. So we can put the scrambled eggs right in here and start cooking those, and then we'll put the sauce in and put everything together. So let me ask you this today. What's your favorite Asian food? What's your favorite Asian food? Comment below. So for those of you guys that are new here, my husband was in the military. He just retired a couple of years ago, and we were stationed in Korea for 2 years. So we absolutely love Korean food. My kids love Korean food. I think Gigi still prefers white rice over French fries, like she grew up there. So yeah, we love Korean food. Okay, so here we go, right? Make a little well, and we're going to do our scrambled eggs right in here, so you don't have to dirty another pan. So we're going to let that kind of do its thing, move it around, and make our little scrambled eggs. So you can do the same thing if you're making a stir fry. You can cook your eggs right in here. Okay. So then the next thing, I believe, once this is done, so at the end you can also add some sliced bell pepper. We're going to add some lime and cilantro and chopped nuts, but that is all optional. You do not have to do that, okay? Let's see, those favorite. I don't like it. Okay, it's okay. Not everybody has to like Asian food, right? Pho. Oh, I love pho too. Love the one pan recipes. Yes. Okay, so now you see you have your scrambled eggs right in one pan. So you didn't have to dirty anything else, right? And you can see it's stainless steel, but because of that non-stick coating, it's not sticking, right? And even if it were to stick, see, you can just kind of move it around with your little scraper here on your chef tongs, and you are good to go. Okay. Next thing, we're going to let those eggs cook for a second. Is this water boiling? Okay, we are finally going here and boiling. So let's add our rice noodles. I'm scared. First time. It's always the first time. Rice noodles, here we go. Move them around, 7 minutes. So here's a fun fact. The Italian me does not set a timer for noodles. I can just kind of look at noodles and know, oh my God, are these, they're kind of clumped together. Is that normal? Oh, nope. Okay, so I don't set a timer for noodles. I just kind of, I can look at them and know when they're done. Okay, help friends. Is that normal that they like stick together like this? Okay, it's definitely not like normal pasta, but we're just gonna go with it. All right, I'm gonna try and separate these a little and move them around. All right, so here we go. Next thing, the sauce goes in and cooks for another couple minutes. So I'll let that cook, and I think then that comes together. Add the sauce to the skillet. Continue stirring until the sauce is brown and slightly reduced, about 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in the rice noodles, and then that combines your pad thai. Then you can, top it with scrambled eggs, sliced bell peppers, lime wedges, and cilantro or some chopped peanuts. So I am gonna chop up a couple peanuts. Would you top it with peanuts? Yes or no? Yes or no? Let them cook for a while. Okay, thanks, Lynn. See, it's like I have like instant access to all of you guys giving me tips. There's so much starch here. Okay, all right. Yeah, the water is like definitely not clear anymore. All right, so we're gonna chop up some peanuts, of course, in our handy dandy chopper. How many of you guys have this guy? My favorite part is that it opens up and it goes in your dishwasher so it gets nice and clean. I think I've had this one for probably 12 years, since I joined Pampered Chef. All right, so we're gonna chop up some peanuts. I'm probably gonna put the peanuts and the cilantro on the side because not everybody's gonna like that, right? Okie doke. Well, I'm gonna wait here for this pasta. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure you leave me at least one comment if you're watching here, okay? I would appreciate that. We're gonna let this do its thing and let this bubbly, let this sizzle. So again, we showed you a couple of new products. Number one is the pad thai. Pad thai mix comes in a set of 3, right? I showed you the oil and vinegar dispenser. That's new, right? So if you like any of these, just comment that you're excited about them. I showed you the egg separator. That's a new tool. We used to have one and people actually were like, where did it go? Are you bringing it back? So sometimes if you talk about it long enough, Pampered Chef will come back with the items we miss. And and the little baby 8-inch skillet. So just so you know, all of our cookware and knives have a lifetime warranty. So you could literally get this one. I actually just replaced some for someone today that had some issues, and you just send it back and you get a new one, which is pretty cool, right? All right, those are the things we showed you. Okay. These noodles freak me out. All right, these noodles freak an Italian out, but that's okay. And then we're gonna add the noodles right in here, and our pad thai is done. So, anyways, if you have any questions, drop them below. Thanks for cooking with me today, and I'm sure I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, have a great day, guys. Ciao, ciao.